Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Ada. If you've been here before, thank you for watching. And if you're new, thank you for joining us. And please be sure to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Today, or actually tonight, because it's midnight, or day, depending how you look at it, I don't know. I just really want to make some kettle corn because it's midnight and I just wanted some kettle corn. So I wanted to show you guys how to make it. It's super easy and it actually doesn't take that long. So let's get started. What you will need is, and I'll put the prices of each of these things of what I paid at my store because it's actually a lot cheaper than buying like the poppable kettle corn. So I got this yellow popcorn. I don't know what the difference is between yellow and white, so I just got the yellow one. And then you're gonna need vegetable oil or coconut oil. We just grabbed this because it was cheap at the store. And then you're gonna need some salt. We just had this already. And then you just need like some granulated sugar. So, oh, you're also gonna need parchment paper or like wax paper. I don't know the differences between those. But you're gonna wanna get 1/4 cup of your oil, either the vegetable canola or coconut oil. And you just want to put that in your pot. This is already a bad tutorial already. So you want to put your stovetop to like medium high. You just want to take like a couple, like maybe like, oh, and I'm dropping. You just want to take like a couple of your little popcorn kernels and just like put them in there and then put your lid on. So while you're doing that, you can get, you know, your sugar ready, and then you also need a 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels to put in there once it's ready. And then you need just a little bit of like parchment or wax paper to put between the lid and the popcorn you're popping once it's ready to pop. I made a mixture of 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. I tried the other day with like just sprinkling the salt on the outside like after it had already popped, but to me it didn't taste as good. So I'm trying it this way to see if it gets more of that like sweet and salty kind of crunchy coating on the popcorn a little bit better. So basically what you want to do is you just want to wait until you hear a single pop, and then you're going to take your 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels and we're going to put them in here. Oh. And then there's a lot of shaking and a lot of timing. Because basically what you're going to do is once the one kernel pops, you know the oil is ready. So then you want to put in your sugar and your kernels, and then you want to make sure you put your parchment paper between the lid and the bottom of the pot you're using. You also want to get gloves. You're going to have it on the heat for 10 seconds. And then you're going to take it off the heat, shake it up for 3, put it back on the heat for another 10 seconds, take it off for 3 seconds, and just keep doing that for about 3 minutes until you hear the popping to start slow. Like when you hear the popping start slowing down, that's when you know that it's done. We have a pop. Let's look. See, we have one that popped. So now we're going to add in our stuff. Cedric! One like legit just popped out at my face. It was startling. Now. Okay, so now I have my timer going, so when it hits 10, I'll shake it up and go from there. You want to shake it really hard. Line either a counter or a baking sheet with parchment paper. So when it's done cooking, you can dump it straight onto the parchment paper on the lined counter or your baking sheet. I like doing the salt and the sugar together while it's cooking in the pot, because it definitely has a more sweet and salty kind of taste, which is what I prefer. If you don't prefer that, like much of the salty, you know, and sweet flavor together, then you can just do it where after it comes out, you can just sprinkle some salt on it while it's cooling, and it's fine too. After it's done cooling, oh, you'll have this nice candy coated kettle corn. Wow. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell before you go so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye guys.